Hi, welcome to Music 360. I am Sudip. Today we are going to learn the D major scale. So the keys of the D major scale are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So we see the scale has two key signature, that is F sharp and C sharp. And the finger pattern which we use to play this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now you can try this together with me. Let's try the first three fingers like this. So that is D, E, F. So you have to play the black key there. Try that. Now, after playing the F sharp, you have to bring your finger 1 on the G, 2 on the A, 3 on the B. So that is 1, 2, 3 after switching from there. Let's see how to switch there. F sharp, G, A, B. That is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Then you have to play the black key C sharp with your finger 4 and D with 5. So there is C sharp, D. So this step is like this: G, A, B, C sharp, D. G, A, B, C sharp, D. Like that. Try practicing this. G, A, B, C sharp, D. So D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try playing it together with me. Once again. That's a good try. And then the reverse goes in the same pattern. So there was 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is D, C sharp, B, A, G. Finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bring your finger 3 on the F sharp. Then 2 and 1. That is finger 3, 2, 1. Try that. Once again. That is good. I'm going to play that again. That is the reverse. Let's see that once, ascending and the descending. Then you can try playing it together with me. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 switch, 3, 2, 1. Once again. That's a good try. Now the left hand starts from the 1 octave lower D. You have to start with finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then switch 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the D major with the left first pattern goes with all the 5 fingers. Then you have to switch on the B, then C sharp and D. So let's try it together. D, E, F sharp, G, A. Let's try playing that. Again. Once more. Let's try that again. Now we have to switch on the B. B, C sharp, D. 3, 2, 1. It goes like that. You can try that. Now I'm going to play the D major scale with the left hand fully. You can watch, then you can try it together with me. So it goes like that. Make sure to practice the right hand and the left hand individually. Let's see how it goes when we play it together with both the hands, and then you can also try it. So let's see how it goes with both the hands. So place the hands in this position and make sure to follow the same pattern as what we tried with hands separately. So it goes something like this. Let's try that again. Let's try that. So make sure to practice this well and coordinate both the hands.